Hello everyone!
Hi,
We are
Tita.
here at residence to celebrate the 15th birthday of my grandchild, Chloe Ann, with her mother, Julie Ann,
Thank you, Tita.
and my sister, Cecil. Hello. With Daniel, son. Thanks for the treat. And Princess, where are you, Princess? Okay. Enjoy eating. Okay.
Tita, kayo na po.
Eating. Happy birthday po.
Thank you po.
Okay, good health and long life, ha? God bless you po. We love you. Okay.
Kuya, ano picture mo ako ni Shirley? Ano pa picture mo?
Happy birthday.
Picture ako na story.
15th birthday, Chloe Ann. We love you. We love lots, Lola Malu, Lola Cecil, Tito Daniel, and family. Okay. With Dr. Princess. Hello, Princess. Hi. Thanks for the treat. Mag-thank you ka.
Ma, nasa yung disposable natin na cup.
Wala na. Mag-thank you ka sa
Thank you
kanila.
po.
Okay. You eat, ha? Enjoy eating. Hello.
Ay, pwede na ba kumain?
Hindi. Yobo. Hello po. Tingin mo na. Hello. Enjoy eating, Junior.
Ay po.
Agnes. Hello.
Ay na po.
Agnes, sama mo ako sa video. Hello, everyone.
Kami na ano.
We are here at our residence to celebrate the 15th birthday
Ay.
of my grandchild.
Ma.
Chloe Ann.
Oy, nakalimutan
With
ko.
her mother, Julie Ann. Lola Ceci. Grandma. Lola Ceci. Grandma.
My hands are dirty.
Tito Daniel.
One,
Tito Princess.
two, three.
Okay? Okay, lagyan mo na sa music ng happy birthday. Okay, let's eat.
You want chicken?
Enjoy
Ayun.
eating, children. Okay, God bless everyone. Enjoy eating nga po, ah. Okay, it's your birthday. Enjoy your day. Okay, God bless everyone. Okay. Uy, masama yung makakabasag ka. God bless everyone.
Madumi na yan. Huwag ko nang pulutin niya. Itapon mo yan.
Uy, madulas ang ano. Okay, enjoy eating. Ilagay mo sa birthday song, birthday song. Okay.
May yellow dito.
Enjoy eating, everyone.
Andrew, ito ay sa'yo. Makanin. Oh, ito.
Uy, maapakan yung aso. Maapakan yung aso, ha? Okay, hello, cute. Hello, anak. I love you. Cutie, I love you, nak. Okay. God bless you. Enjoy your day. Ay, maghintay ka, Julie, kumukuha na yung sopa. Pauti sa kay mama mo. Lakasan mo. Agnet, lakasan mo. Okay, enjoy eating everyone. Okay, God bless everyone. Let's eat. Happy birthday, girl, Julian. Wish you good health, long life, and success. Someday your dream becomes true. Okay? Love you. Hoy! Matumba. God bless everyone. Ano to? Okay. Okay, let's eat. God bless everyone. Okay, thank you, Sam, for the treat.